Yeah, very poor chicken. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. I wonder how it's something like that. Yes, like that. There, yeah. Okay. So what bone is this? Now, that is the forearm. That is the arm. That is the forearm. And that is the manus. Okay. So what bone is that? Good. And what bone is that? Good. And that one? You guys are geniuses.
I have a question. In radio, they said that the femur was pneumatized, but in your lecture it says it's not.
The long bones are usually not pneumatized, okay. Of the hind leg, okay. Usually not. But the pelvic bones will be. Okay. Now it depends on the bird. This is domestic chicken. It depends on the species.
So we should listen to you, not radiology.
For radiology.
Yeah, in the radiology, give them what they want. Okay.
What are the fused bones in the manus?
The what?
In the manus, they have the fused bones.
Okay, you have the metacarpal bones, and then of course the digital bones. And of course you also have the carpal bones, some of the carpal bones fused with the metacarpus.
Metacarpus?
Okay.
So which one is the metacarpus?
That is the metacarpus. Okay. Then you have the distal row of carpal bones fusing with them. The proximal rows of carpal bones are there, radial and ulnar. Okay, now we have, what bone is that? It looks like a knife.
The scapula.
Yeah, the scapula. So you have the scapula, the humerus, and the clavicle, and the three of them form this space. Foramen triosteum, or triosteal foramen. What ligament passes through there?
The supracoracoid.
There, the ligament of the tendon, the tendon of the supracoracoidal as it passes through there to attach to the dorsal aspect of the humerus. Good. And what is that bone? Clavicle. And then together form the furcula. Good.
What's the furcula?
Yes, the wishbone. Where is the sternum?
What's the furcula? What?
The two of them form the furcula.
Okay.
Where is this sternum? Just there. No. Just that portion.
Oh, that's just the keel is the whole.
The keel is a process of the sternum. You have the cranial, caudodorsal process, caudolateral process, and then caudoventral process of the sternum. And then you have that roundish portion there. That one, known as what? I mentioned it in class. I said I would be the only one I mentioned this to. The rostrum. The rostrum. Okay. And then this is the cranial dorsal process. Is that all right? So what does the keel in the ostrich look like? Yeah, just flat. Just flat. Yeah. Almost like a saucer. Yeah, I'm surprised we don't have, well, we really don't have anything in this lab. If you were to say the Museum of Victoria, it's unbelievable. The same thing, even in Zimbabwe. Yeah. The museum in Zimbabwe and Pretoria are much better than the University of Illinois. Okay, those are the main things we want to do. You know that if we see somebody put an A there, I wonder why it was not removed. Rudy should be shot through one of the fingers. Okay, let me give you that. Let me just tag it there.
She gets an A.
Well, okay, I didn't have that in mind. But that's an A now. So, remember that? sternum itself, that bone, that bone, that, and that, and you are okay. Then, perhaps more importantly, what is that? The fusion of 2 to 5 thoracic. The notorium. And you see the 6th thoracic free. The 7 fuses with the lumbar, and the lumbar with the same sacrum. Okay, what would you call this bone? Tailbones. Well, we lost one part of it, the Good. And what bone is this? The pubic bone, yes. And that is the ischium, and that is the ilium. Okay, this was, the people who made this specimen were a little careless. They also have shown us the 2 articular surfaces for the head of the femur. How many articular surfaces are there for the head of the femur in the bird? 2. Acetabulum and trochanter. Good. The anti-trochanter. Good. What is this?
Patella.
You see how large it is? Very large. It shows you how important the quadriceps humerus muscle is. And what bone is this? The one we are likely to tag, this or this?
The tibiotarsus.
Yeah, the tibiotarsus. And this one? The tarso-metatarsus. Remember, the proximal end of the tarsus fuses with the tibia. The distal row fuses with the tarsus. So tibiotarsus and tarso-metatarsus. What digit is that?
1.
Well, how many phalanges?
2.
This one, digit 4, how many phalanges? 5. Okay, you guys got everything in class. And you see the 2 pubic bones are fused together ventrally. True or false? Very false. Nothing can be more false. All right, those are the only things we are getting. And then what is this? This. That ring-like bone.
Your orbit?
No. No, that is the orbit there. Now the scleral